This once-in-a-lifetime health crisis, many are suffering from an epidemic of loneliness. One group particularly affected by isolation would be those living in long-term care facilities. Jenna Ray brings us the story of a local woman who says her grandparents' health has taken a hit with visits being cut off.
I probably visited about, I would say on average, maybe twice a month, if not more.
Katie Flasher's grandparents, who both suffer from dementia, have been in assisted living since 2018. When March 2020 came,
I went and just kind of talked to them about, are you seeing this on the news, that kind of thing. But, nothing really registered. And then, of course, the shutdown happened, and that's when, it was really hard.
Flasher tells News 4 visitations like these weren't happening anymore. They did video calls and patio visits like you're seeing here. However, it was sometimes months in between visits.
This whole process has been just an incredibly helpless experience. My grandma had to go to the hospital recently for 3 weeks. Gosh, I think we're going on a month now. So this couple that's been together for 70 years has been separated. So we went from the normal COVID isolation to now we're isolated from each other. And that 3-week period has been, I've never seen a decline so fast in my life.
Flasher saw her grandparents in person for the first time in more than a month this past Saturday. She says she's optimistic with more visits planned in the future. However, she and the Greater Missouri Alzheimer's Association have a message for families who may be in a similar situation.
We prepared for them looking different. This particular visit, they looked really good, but like I said, during those Skype calls, maybe they're not taking care of themselves physically as much.
We recommend now, having a picture of your face on your shirt so that they can see you and recognize not just your face covered in a mask, but recognize that picture.
In St. Louis, Jenna Ray, News 4.